Hi, this short yoga practice is designed to help open up the front of the body, like the chest, because we strengthen through the back body. And for the practice, you will need to be by a wall. So once you go find that, I will meet you back here. Hi, if I haven't met you yet, my name is Jessica Lucy with Sun Breath Yoga, and I help people find joy and confidence in the way that they move. So let's get started in Tadasana and face the wall. From there, allow the arms to hang alongside the body. Lift up through the crown of the head and push down through the floor. Feel free to have your eyes open to a soft gaze, or you can close the eyes and take the gaze inward. And center into this space by taking 3 deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Maybe feel your shoulders relax with each exhale. And your chest can rise with each inhale. And then if your eyes are closed, slowly begin to blink them open. Inhale, reach the hands above the head. Exhale, cactus the arms, bend at the elbows. Shoulder blades draw towards one another. Maybe even lift up through the head. We're not doing a baby back bend yet. Inhale, lift the hands up. And exhale, fold down. Feel free to take a bend through the knees, especially if you have tight hamstrings. Half lift on the inhale. Plus, this is only the beginning of the practice. Exhale, fold back down. Inhale, sweep the hands up, reach up. Exhale, bend at the elbows, cactus the arms, lift up through the heart. Inhale, sweep the hands back up, and exhale, fold back down. Keep the knees soft. Half lift, inhale. Exhale, fold. Inhale, sweep the hands back up. Exhale, cactus the arms. Maybe draw the tips of the shoulder blades in, lift the heart. Inhale, hands come up. Exhale, fold. Half lift, inhale. Exhale, fold back down, sweep the hands up, reach up. Nice. Exhale, bring the hands towards the heart. Then bring the hands towards the wall. Step your right foot back, left foot goes forward. We're finding our way into a lunge, like a warrior one. So as you press your right foot back, push into the heel, and then bend through the front knee, push forward through the front shin, draw the low belly up towards the heart. So the whole bottom, all your legs are engaged. Push through the wall. Now your arms are engaged. And as you do your next inhale, draw your left hand away as you push into the wall with your right hand. Keep the hips pointing forward. Left hand draws away, almost like you're drawing a bow. Look over your left shoulder and press back. Exhale. Inhale, draw the arm away, open up. Exhale, push the wall. Inhale, open, shoulder blade draws back. And exhale, push the wall. 2 more times. Inhale, open, look over. Exhale, press. And 1 more. Inhale, open. And exhale, press down. Take your left foot, step it back. Now you're like a plank. The closer your feet are towards the wall, the less intense this plank will be. And the further away your feet are from the wall, the more intense your plank will be. On your next inhale, draw the right hand away, almost like you're twisting open, like a side plank. So same things apply. Further away, the more intense, the more you're lifting. Closer towards the wall, you're less you're lifting. And if you wanted to do even more, come on towards your left, the outside edge of your left foot, and balance. Or you can even lift your right leg up. So 1 more breath in wherever you are. Exhale, all the hands meet back on the wall. Now step your right foot forward, left foot goes back. Bend through the front knee, push forward through the front shin, push back through the back leg, draw the right hip back, low belly goes up towards the heart. Exhale, push the wall. Feel connection through the legs, the torso, and the arms. Exhale, push into the wall. Then inhale, draw the right arm back like you're drawing a bow. Look over your right shoulder. And exhale, press. Inhale, draw the right arm back. Exhale, press. And inhale, draw the right arm back. Soften the right shoulder. Exhale, press down. Continue pushing through the legs. Inhale, open. Exhale, press. And one more time. Inhale, open up. And exhale, press back down. Step the feet back. Find your plank, however far your feet are away from the wall. Deep breath in. Exhale, push into the wall. Spread through the shoulder blades. Then find your side plank. Take your left hand away from the wall any amount. Feel free to go on towards that right outside edge foot and even lift the left leg up off the ground. Wherever you are, push the right hand into the wall. Low belly draws up towards the heart. The ribs draw towards one another. One more breath. Then exhale, hands come back down towards the wall. We'll move into a downward dog at the wall. Walk the hands down and press the hips back. So you're going to want to make an L shape with your body. Your arms will be one part of the L, and then your legs will be the other part. Allow the chest to relax down. And if you feel like the low back is getting a little cranky, notice what it feels like to push through the hips, and then draw the low ribs towards one another. Low belly draws through, energetically through the spine. So up towards the heart. Relax the head, maybe rock it back and forth, left and right. Soften the knees. All right, so if this is enough weight for you to lift, continue to do this. If you'd like to add in an extra twist, take your right hand and then bring it towards your left leg. Anywhere along the left leg, relax the chest down and rotate it over towards the left. And if you still want to get that rotation without lifting as much weight, keeping that chest lifted, walk the hands a little higher up, walk the feet closer towards the wall, and then do the same thing. So one more breath through that twist. Exhale fully. Inhale, come back around, push the hands down and change sides. Now the left hand goes over towards the right leg. Push the right hand into the wall, relax the head down, and feel free to look over or under the shoulder. Two more breaths here. Exhale. Inhale, come back up towards the wall. Walk the feet closer towards the wall, and then allow the forehead to touch the wall to kind of center in. You add your head down a lot. So this will help bring you back into an upright position with less dizziness through the head. Exhale fully. Push away from the wall. Find your way back into Tadasana. So arms long alongside the body, push down through the feet. Maybe close the eyes. Do one final check-in here. Notice how the shoulders lie on the back body. Notice the opening through the chest. And notice any connectedness towards the ground. If your eyes are closed, slowly begin to blink them open. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I'd love to know how this practice went for you, so definitely put them in the comments along with any questions that you've had about this class, and I'll definitely answer them as long as I can, or I'll look them up and provide you with other resources. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe to receive more of this content. And if you have a friend who would also really appreciate this, definitely please send this to them. And if you want to know more about what I do, head on over to sunbreathyoga.com and explore that area. Have a wonderful day. Bye.